Okay, so we're gonna get the body of the hippo attached to the head. You're gonna do this by taking the hippo head, turning the snout away from you and the head upside down. We're gonna be working in rows 7 to 9. So this being row 6 where the ears were attached, I know this is 7, 8, and 9. I'm gonna stitch in the middle of that. And what we're gonna be doing is building a circle around this, kind of in an oval shape. You're gonna be putting 12 stitches around, and we're gonna work the body off of that. So even though the body is worked in a hook size 8, we're gonna go ahead and use our hook 7, which is what the head was done in. It makes it a little bit easier to get this in. So I'm just gonna stitch into the head, take my yarn, and I'm gonna work 12 single stitches all the way around. So starting in the middle. By starting this in the middle, you are also gonna build more of an even body and even legs. I'm gonna work stitch 3, starting to work up. Stitch 4 is gonna touch row 9, and I'm gonna start working my way back over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stitch 9 is gonna start working back down the circle. So I'm gonna go down and out. Stitch 10 is gonna go straight down. And then my 2 closing stitches, stitch 11 and stitch 12. And stitch 12 is gonna complete that circle. Now, if you lift this up, you should be able to see from the top and from the side that your circle is evenly attached to the back of the head.